Okay, do you like to go to cinema?
To the cinema, okay.
Yes, I like
Responsive.
go to the cinema. And you?
Yes, I like to go
Go to
cinema.
the cinema.
What films do you like?
And
I
you?
like these films. Fantasy and travel.
Okay. Adventures. Adventures, приключения.
And what films do you like?
Super.
I like films such as fantastic horror films and comedy.
Давай.
Do you often watch comedy films?
No, I don't. I never watch comedy.
Why don't you
Смотришь? Давай.
watch comedy?
I don't watch comedies because adventures is better.
Do you like action
Action фильмы.
films?
Action films, okay.
I don't know what is the action films.
Action films, okay. Okay, action films are the films about superheroes, maybe some
Like Superman?
about some fighting, about some running. Do you like action films?
Yes, I like action films.
What is your favorite films?
Film, okay.
My
Film.
favorite film is Iron Man because there is an Iron Man.
There is.
Why do you like Iron Man?
Because he's strange.
Полностью.
I like Iron Man because he's strange, brave, and great.
And great, okay. Спроси, какой твой любимый супергерой?
What is your favorite superhero?
My favorite superhero is Superman.
Superman.
I like Superman because he is strong and smart.
And smart, okay.
Do you read comics?
Yes, I read comics.
Where do you
Давай.
do you buy comics?
Молодец.
I buy comics in the Читай город.
Мгм.
Do you go to the
Как?
shop?
Shop, молодец.
Yes, I go this shop.
I go.
I go to this shop.
The shop.
Why do you go to this shop?
I go to this shop because I like this shop and I need this shop.
Why do you need this shop?
I need this shop because I read different books.
Different books.
Do you often go shop?
I sometimes go shopping.
Where do you go?
Shopping.
Shop.
I go shopping to the supermarkets, to the Planeta, to the clothes shop.
Do you often go shopping?
I sometimes go shopping.
Okay, how often do you go shopping?
I go shopping one time in 3 days.
Do you like to travel?
Да.
Yes, I like to travel to the different countries.
Where do you travel?
I traveled to Turkey, to Italy, and to Horvatia.
Okay, Croatia будет, Хорватия.
What is your favorite country?
My favorite country is Russia.
Is Russia, okay. What is your favorite country to travel to?
My favorite country to travel to Italy.
To Italy.
Why do you like Italy?
Italy.
I like Italy because the Ferrari was made there.
Okay.
Do you want to buy
Do you
Ferrari?
want?
Do you want to buy Ferrari?
I want to buy Ferrari in my future. Do you want to buy Ferrari?
Yes, I want to buy Ferrari.
And what color is it?
I want a Ferrari.
Any color, okay. If it's Ferrari, any color is okay. Okay.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
How often do
Да.
do you spend
Время?
time with friends?
Yes, I spend time with. I spend time with my friends every day. I
Ага.
go to school and chat with them there, and I walk with them.